Hello guys! Welcome to lesson 37 of the Manabo Online Textbook. We have separate videos of the grammar lessons on our YouTube channel, so please check it out for you to understand more about this lesson. So, let's get started. Lesson 37, Sentence Patterns. First, let's read the sentence pattern number 1, number 2, and number 3. Number 1, Kodomo no toki yoku haha ni shikararemashita. Kodomo no toki yoku haha ni shikararemashita. Number 2, Rashu no densha de ashi o fumaremashita. Rashu no densha de ashi o fumaremashita. Number 3, Horiyouji wa 607年に建てられました。Horiyouji wa 607年に建てられました。These three sentences are using the passive form of the verbs. Okay, passive form of the verbs. So now let's learn how to conjugate the verbs to their passive forms. So let's start from the group 1 verbs. So the passive form of the verbs are also called in Japanese as ukemi. Ukemi. So in the group 1 verbs, once again, let's remove the mas. And the last characters are E sound characters, like the verb iimasu. Remove mas, ii. Now to form the passive form of the verbs, change the E sound characters of the group 1 verb, change them to the A sound characters. So first, the verb iimasu, the I will become wa. So iwa. From ii, it will become iwa plus remas. Iwa remas. Next, kakimasu, kaki, from ki it will become ka. Kaka plus remas. Kaka remas. Next, oshimasu, oshi, osa, osaremas. Machimasu, machi, mata, mataremas. Next verb, yobimasu, yobi, from bi it will become ba. Yoba plus remas. Yobaremas. Next, fumimasu, fumi, fuma, fumaremas. Torimasu, tori, tora, toraremas. For the group 2 verbs, just remove the mas of the verbs and add raremas. So for example, the verb homemas. Homemas. Remove mas, home plus raremas. Home raremas. Next, shirabemas. Shirabe raremas. Shirabe raremas. And the verb mimas, remove mas, mi plus raremas, miraremas. For the group 3 verbs, let's start from the verb kimas. The verb kimas will become koraremas. Koraremas. And the verb shimas will become saremas. Saremas. Now, how to use the passive form of verbs? So let's try to read sentence pattern number 1. Kodomo no toki yoku haha ni shikararemashita. So the verb in this sentence is shikararemashita. From the verb shikarimasu. Shikarimasu. And the passive form is shikararemasu. So shikararemashita. So this kind of sentence, there is no subject wa. The subject is always the speaker. So in other words, watashi. Watashi wa. Okay? Watashi wa, and the verb is shikararemashita. The verb shikarimasu means to scold. To scold. And the shikararemashita was scolded. Okay? So the passive form of the verb is referring to the subject of the sentence. Watashi wa. I shikararemashita. I was scolded. Yoku shikararemashita. I often get scolded. Okay, so kodomo no toki, when I was a child, yoku, often, haha ni shikararemashita. I was scolded by my mother. So the doer of the action is marked with the particle ni. So in this sentence, haha ni. So the haha, the mother, is the doer of the action, and the receiver of that action is the subject, which is indicated by the verb shikararemashita. Was scolded, I was scolded. Yoku haha ni shikararimashita. I always or I often get scolded by my mother. Haha ni. Okay. Number 2. Rush no densha de ashi o fumarimashita. Rush no densha de ashi o fumarimashita. Another use of passive verbs in this sentence is to express your discomfort, your inconvenience, or disappointment. So, because of someone's action, that action caused the subject discomfort, inconvenience, or disappointment. Someone's action caused you bad feeling or bad emotion, discomfort, dismay, or other bad feelings because of someone's action. Like in this sentence, Rasyo no densha de. So rasyo means rush hour. Densha is train. So the train on rush hour, particle de. So that's the place of action. Ashi o fumarimashita. So ashi, my feet. Ashi o fumarimashita. From the verb fumimasu means to step on. Fumarimashita, the passive form is used in this sense that if someone steps on your foot, that the feeling that caused you is discomfort, dismay, regret, or anger because of someone's action. Okay? Number 3, Horyoji wa 607年に建てられました. So in this sense, passive verbs can also be used. Horyoji wa, the Horyoji temple was built. 建てられました. So from the verb tatemasu, to build, 建てられました is the passive form of the verb tatemasu. Horyoji wa 建てられました. The Horyoji was built. 607年に on year 607. So on the sentence pattern number 2, just like the sentence pattern number 1, you can also attach the particle ni to the person who is the cause of the action. So in sample number 2, Rasyo no densha de ashi o fumarimashita. For example, a man, you will say otoko no hito ni, by a man. So now let's read the example sentences. Example sentence number 1. Kesa buchou ni yobarimashita. Nani ka attan desu ka? Chuchou no reporto no kakikata ni tsuite chui saremashita. So the first line, Kesa buchou ni yobarimashita. Kesa, this morning, yobarimashita. I was called. Buchou ni, by bucho. Attach the particle ni to the cause of action. Buchou ni. Nani ka attan desu ka? Is there something wrong? Shuchou no reporto no kakikata ni tsuite. About how I wrote my report of the business trip. Chui saremashita. So chui shimasu, from the verb chui shimasu, means to warn. So chui saremashita, I was being warned. I was warned about how I wrote my report about the business trip. Chui saremashita. Number 2, do shitan desu ka? Dare ka ni kasa o machigai raretan desu. Do shitan desu ka? What's wrong? Dare ka ni, by someone. Okay? Attach the particle ni to the person or the cause of or the doer of the action. Dare ka ni, by someone. Kasa o machigai raretan desu. So again, you can use the passive form of verbs to express your discomfort, inconvenience, or dismay. So machigai raretan desu. For example, someone mistakenly took your umbrella, so you will have a negative feeling, discomfort, inconvenience, dismay, regret, etc. Someone took your umbrella. Dare ka ni. Machigaimasu, from the verb machigaimasu. Machigairarimasu. Number 3. Mata atarashi hoshi ga hakken saremashita yo. So desu ka? So mata, again, atarashi hoshi, another or a new star, hakken saremashita. From the verb hakken shimasu, to discover. Hakken saremashita was discovered. So another or a new star was discovered. So desu ka? Example sentence number 4. Kotoshi no Seikai Kodomo Kaigi wa doko de hirakaremasu ka? Hiroshima de hirakaremasu. So kotoshi no, this year's Seikai Kodomo Kaigi wa doko de, where? Hirakaremasu ka? From the verb hirakimasu, to hold a meeting or to open. Hirakarimasu, to be held. Hiroshima de hirakarimasu, it will be held at Hiroshima. Example sentence number 5. Biro wa mugi kara tsukuraremasu. Kore ga genryo no mugi desu. Kore ga biro ni narun desu ne. So the first line, biro wa beer, mugi kara tsukuraremasu, is made from mugi. Made from mugi. Kore ga genryo no mugi desu. So this is the raw material, the mugi. Kore ga biro ni narun desu ne. So this will become the beer. So you can also use passive verbs in this kind of sentence, that beers are made from mugi. Mugi kara tsukuraremasu. Example sentence number 6. Burajiro de wa nani go ga tsukawarete imasu ka? Portugal go ga tsukawarete imasu. So, Burajiro de wa, in Brazil, nani go ga tsukawarete imasu ka? What language is being used? So, nani go. Tsukawarete imasu, from the verb tsukaimasu. Tsukawarete imasu is being used. Portugal go ga tsukawarete imasu. So, Portuguese is being used. Now let's watch the conversation video. Minasama, achira ga yume na Kinkakuji desu. Kinkakuji wa 14世紀に建てられました。1950年に一度焼けてしまいましたが、その後新しい建物が建てられて1994年に世界遺産になりました。京都で人気があるお寺の一つです。
綺麗ですね。壁が金色ですか？本物の金ですか？
はい。金が20キロぐらい使われました。
あの中に入りますか？
中には入れないんです。池の周りを歩きながら見てください。
もみじが綺麗ですね。
ええ、金閣寺はもみじと雪の季節が特に美しいと言われています。Lesson 37, Exercise A. So, we already discussed how to conjugate the verbs to the passive forms. Let's jump to the number 2. Watashi wa buchou ni homeraremashita. So, homeraremashita, from the verb homemasu, means to praise someone. Buchou ni, by bucho. Watashi wa, I homeraremashita. I was praised by bucho. Buchou ni. Next line. Watashi wa buchou ni shigoto o tanomarimashita. From the verb tanomimasu, means to ask someone a favor. Tanomimasu. So, watashi wa tanomarimashita. I was asked a favor by bucho. Buchou ni shigoto o, to do a work. Shigoto o tanomarimashita. Number 3. Watashi wa dareka ni jitensha o torarimashita. So, torarimashita, from the verb torimasu, to get, to take. Watashi wa dareka ni, by someone. Jitensha o torarimashita. My bicycle was taken by someone. So, watashi wa jitensha o torarimashita. My bicycle was taken. Dareka ni, by someone. Next line, watashi wa haha ni manga no hon o soteraremashita. So, watashi wa, I, manga no hon o soteraremashita. My comic books are thrown away. Haha ni, by my mother. So, this number 3 is also expressing your emotion, a negative effect. Because of someone, my bicycle was taken or stolen. So as an effect, a negative effect, a discomfort, inconvenience, dismay, regret, etc. My mother or my comic books are thrown away by my mother. So as an effect, my negative emotions are dismay, regrets, etc. Number 4, Osaka de tenrankai ga hirakarimasu. Osaka de tenrankai ga hirakarimasu. So, exhibit, tenrankai. Hirakarimasu will be held. Will be held at Osaka. Next line, Osaka de kokosai kaigi ga okonawarimasu. So, Osaka de at Osaka. Kokosai kaigi ga okonawarimasu. The international conference will be held. Okonawarimasu. Number 5, Kono bijutsukan wa raigetsu kuwasarimasu. So, Kono bijutsukan wa, this museum, raigetsu, next month, kuwasarimasu, will be destroyed. From the verb kuwashimasu, to destroy, kuwasarimasu. Next line, Kono bijutsukan wa yakonen mai ni tateraremashita. This museum, yakonen mai ni, 100 years ago, tateraremashita, was built. Next line, Nihon no kuruma wa iro-iro na kuni e yushutsu sarete imasu. So, Nihon no kuruma wa, Japanese cars, iro-iro na kuni e, to different countries. Yushutsu sarete imasu, is being exported. Next line, Kono hon wa sekai juu de yumarete imasu. Kono hon wa, this book, sekai juu de, sekai juu means all over the world, particle de. Yumarete imasu is being read. So from the verb yumimasu, to read. Yumarete imasu is being read all over the world. Sekai juu de. So that's all in this lesson, guys. Make sure to watch my grammar lesson videos on our YouTube channel so you will understand more about this lesson. So see you guys again on the next lesson. Mata ne!